Hello, second session here on a tutorial on how to use Bitcoin to buy the new Crypto Kings movie coin. As you see here on the screen, the Crypto Kings Bitcoin movie and how to use Bitcoin to get that coin. So here we go. I'm going to go into my Internet Explorer, or I'm sorry, my Google Explorer, and I have two wallets opened. I have the main corporate wallet here, and then I have my own personal wallet here. And in this wallet, I have approximately $111 worth of Bitcoin. It looks like it took a little dip. I had $125 in earlier total value. The price of Bitcoin is at 10,344 currently at this time. So I will buy approximately 5 movie coins, and I'll show you how we're going to do this. So I have a sell order here. There's a sell order. See, it's red. There's buy. It changes to blue. But the sell order here at this price of Bitcoin and this price value of Bitcoin, if we highlight it, copy, go into the cryptocurrency converter, and we will see that this, and we'll switch this to Bitcoin. This amount of Bitcoin equals $20 USD. So I'm going to use 5 or all of my Bitcoin to buy 5 tokens at $20 a token. Crypto. So here we are. See, here's the sell order. 5 Crypto King coins for this amount of Bitcoin equals this total amount of Bitcoin. So go over here to my personal wallet. That's the exchange wallet. So my wallet, and we will transact in the exchange here. Click this symbol. And we will click the BTC label here because we're going to pair the coins right now. And I'm going to type in Crypto Kings to look for the coin and pair it with Bitcoin. See it change right here from Waves BTC. Okay, here. See, it says Bitcoin for Waves tokens, but we're going to buy Crypto Kings tokens, and it's going to change right here. There. So we're going to use Bitcoin to buy the new Crypto Kings token. And here's the order book. And here's the buy menu already set up. So what I'm going to do is click the 5 Bitcoins that are up for sale, and the total sum is 0.0096. I have 0.01, so I have plenty of Bitcoin to buy 5 MovieCoin tokens. So let's go ahead and populate it. See, I double clicked there. It took the order down. It placed it down in here. This amount is the price that I'm paying per token on BTC for 5 Crypto Kings tokens for a total amount of 0.009, and I have 0.01. So if we take this one decimal over and change it to 9, you see I have greater than. So I can go ahead and buy these Crypto Kings tokens at this whole value of Bitcoin, and it's going to cost me 0.003 of a Waves token. So you need Waves tokens in order to pay for the mining or the fees. This is on a point of sale, proof of stake mining system, POS. Okay, so we paired everything. My trade history is open. I used already in the previous transaction. I used Waves tokens to purchase Crypto Kings. I am now going to use Bitcoin in a crypto for crypto deal and purchase movie coins. 5 of them. Here we go. Created a 5-minute order. It'll populate here. Let's wait for the flash conversion, for the screen to flash. This is how fast you can move tokens and translate a deal. Okay, it's still, well, it's in this 5-minute expiration time frame, but it should move quicker than 5 minutes. Let me see this other transaction here. Okay, so it was in the red, it bought. And that's if it's ready to go again if I want to set up another 5 tokens. And let's check the exchange. I'm sorry, we're in exchange. Let's check the wallet. And let's go with transactions. Home. Exchange. Received waves. Okay, so this deal still is pending. And let's go back here. Let me see if, let me check my portfolio, see the Bitcoin left. Oh, yeah, so I had $111 now, and I used $100 of Bitcoin to buy 5 movie coins, and it already took the balance. And let's see if we have, I started the day out with 3 Crypto Kings coins. If I bought 5, I should have 8. So we go in here to all active tokens. Crypto Kings. Okay, it still hasn't populated in there. The transaction is still pending in the exchange. Bitcoin for Crypto Kings. So with 5 and then 3 here, I should populate to 8 when I check it again. Let's go back into the exchange, see what's going on. This is my trade history tab. Still has not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this recording and come back and check it out for you guys. We're back here in my corporate wallet here, and if we go to my order history, I'm sorry, let's check trade history first. That's okay. So from the main wallet, I did a sell order, 2 of them for Waves tokens, and to the Crypto Kings. Let's go over into my order history, and we'll see that the deal is still pending. See, this is my order history, and I have a sell order in here for Bitcoin, BTC for MovieCoin, 5 coins at a timestamp of 1904 or 1904 hours, which is about 7 p.m. a few minutes after. So here we see that the order has not been filled yet, like it was here. It's still pending. It's not 100% filled as a buy or sell order, and that's the current status. So it's pending. And I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here. In this corporate wallet, we see that in my order history, we sold, there's a sell order here, we sold 5 Crypto Kings coins for Bitcoin. And this order is still pending. Status is waiting for this transaction to complete. In the meanwhile, let's go over to my wallet, which is here, And in my order history for my wallet, we see that CryptoKings MovieCoin was purchased, see, a buy order using Bitcoin for the amount of 5 coins, and the transaction is not complete here. So we are still waiting for the confirmation to go through the exchange. It's just a slower process. And this just shows that the order was done. Red for sell, blue for buy. So we're just waiting for this to be confirmed. In order to keep the video short, the demonstration is pretty much complete on how to use Bitcoin to buy MovieCoin, the CryptoKings MovieCoin. All right, and you're using the Waves exchange for this. And there you go. All right. Bye-bye.